Yes students, now we are in 8th chapter, that is measuring time. Okay students, I hope students in 3rd standard you have studied how to measure the time. That 1 minute is equal to how many seconds and 1 hour is equal to how many minutes, how many days makes 1 week and how many days makes 1 month. I hope students you all know this very clearly and you have already studied in 3rd standard. Okay students, now write the time. Before that we will just recall it. Okay. Yes students, now 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? Yes students, and you all know it. Yes, it is 60 seconds. Then 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? Yes, it's also 60 minutes. Then 1 day is equal to how many hours? In 1 day how many hours are there? 24 hours. Okay. Then in 1 week how many days are there? In 1 week 7 days, correct? 1 fortnight, in 1 fortnight how many days are there? Is 15 days, half of the month, correct? And in 1 month how many days are there? In 1 month 30 days, correct? In 1 year how many days are there? In 1 year 365, and in leap year it is 366, correct? In 1 minute 60 seconds, and in 1 hour 60 minutes, in 1 day 24 hours, in 1 week 7 days, in 1 fortnight 15 days, that is half of the month, and in 1 month 30 or 31 days, and in February it is 28 or 29 days. In 1 year it is 365 and the leap year it is 366, correct? And students, while measuring time in clock, students, you all know 3 hands. This also you will studied in 3rd standard. 3 hands will be there. One will be for hour's hand, and hour's hand is short, correct? And second one it is minute's hand. Minute's hand will be long, and the other one is hour's hand, and one is minute's hand, and one is seconds hand, which is always rotates and goes, correct now? Seconds, that is also long but thin, very patla. Okay, now see. Yes, now from 12 to 5 how many minutes it takes, students? From 12 to 5, always remember the table of 5. That makes very much easy for you all to measure the time. Here it is 0 0, okay, here it is 0 5, then 10, then 15, then 20, then 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Okay, 5 ones are here, from here 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, 5 elevens are 55, then again 5 zeros are 0. Okay, now this is the table of 5. This is for minute's hand. This is for which hand? This is for minute's hand. Okay, now for seconds hand, in between you will have seen, students, you will be having 5 lines, correct? Now 1 2 3 4 5 hands you will be having. That means from here it is 0, then 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5. From on 1 it is 5, then again 6, 7, 8, 9, then again 10. Like that 5 gap you are having. Okay. Now if it is 30 here, that means 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 50. Here it will be 55, and it comes to 60. When it comes to 60, it becomes 0. Okay. And you all celebrate your birthday also. Now students, midnight 11:59, and you wait for the 12 o'clock. Correct now? When it is 11:59, the next number it comes as 12.00. Correct now? When it is 11:59, the next it comes 12.00, and you wait for your birthday to cut the cake. Correct? Yes. Now we will go to the first page of our textbook. Okay. Write the time shown by the clock below in hours and minutes. Yes. Now see the small green color hand. Where it is between 2 and 3. Why it is between 2 and 3? Yes students, because the minutes hand it has crossed 6. It has crossed 6. Now in some 20 minutes or 25 minutes it is going to be 3 o'clock. Correct now? In 25 minutes it is going to be 3 o'clock. So it has started moving out from 2. From 2 it has started moving out, because उसको 3 में आके लैंड होना है in 25 minutes. Correct? So what is the time now? 7 में है, तो 5 7 जा 35. That means 35 minutes. 35 minutes past 2. 3 लिखना नहीं है, as it is going to come on 3, but now it is on. Now we have to say the time of 2 only. Okay. Now see the next one. Yes. Now it is on 10. That means 10 5s are 50. Correct now? So 50 minutes past. No, now yes, it is green color, and we have to see. Green color is hours hand. Correct? Now green color hand, it is on which number? It is on 10. And red color hand, it is on 3. That means 5 3s are 15. 15 minutes past 10. Correct? Now next one, see the minutes and red color hand, it is on 8. So 8 5s are 40. 40 minutes past it is on 4. So you will write 4. No, you are supposed to write 3 only. Because why? Because in 20 minutes it is going to become 4. So it has took the place of 4, but actually it is not. We are not supposed to write it as 4. Okay. Now see the next one. See the next one. Red hand, that is minutes, and it is on 2. That is 5 2s are 10. 10 minutes past 7. Yes. See the next one. In next one, minutes, and it is on 11. So it is 55 minutes. Correct now? 55 minutes past. Now what you will write? You will write 2 or 3. Yes. Now the hand is on 3. Minutes hand. Minutes hand is on 11. Hours hand is on 3. Correct? Now 55 minutes is for minutes hand. Now for hours hand you will write 3 or 2. Which you will write? You are supposed to write 2 only, because in 5 minutes it is going to become 3. But actually it is not 3 o'clock. Okay. So 55 minutes past 2. Okay. See the next one, minutes hand. See the minutes hand where it is on 8. Correct? So 8 5s are 40. 40 minutes past 9. See the next one, it is minutes and it is on 5. So 25. 5 5s are 25. 25 minutes past 12. Okay. Now read the time given in the boxes below and draw the position of the clock hands. Here they have given the time and we are supposed to draw the clock. Okay. Now 10 minutes. 10 minutes means we will take two colors. Okay. For minutes and we will take blue color. So 10 minutes means 5 2s are. So where is the 2? Here is the 2. Correct? It is on 2. Yes. Now next one, past 5. Past 5. So we will draw to the 5. It has come? Yes. 5. Okay students. Now next one is 15 minutes past 12. So to the 3, 15 minutes, then 12. Okay. Now next one is 35 minutes. That means 7. 7 5s are 35. Correct na? So 7. Then 7 5s are 35. Then 8. Correct? 8. Okay, we have to little bit take it out towards 9 because in 20 minutes or 25 minutes it is going to be 9 o'clock. Okay. Next one, it is homework for you all. Okay, this is homework. Now we will go to the next page.